Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to use jmxenhancer.com to enhance your JMeter performance test scripts. We assume that you have a brief idea about JMeter and what a JMX test script is. To start with, we'll show you a simple script that was recorded just a while ago using the BlazeMeter plugin on the demo Blaze application. So this is how the script looks like. As you can see, the transaction names and the samplers are not properly named. We also have the generate parent sample checkbox unchecked on all the transaction controllers. Right. We can also see that there are a lot of constant timers that are appended by the BlazeMeter plugin. You may want to remove all these constant timers and add a test action pause at the end of each transaction controller. There are also certain timestamps that can be automatically replaced with __ time JMeter function. So let's move on to the application and see what we can accomplish using jmxenhancer.com. So jmxenhancer.com is the only JMeter script enhancer online. All we require is just a valid JMX file and a couple of options to be selected, and finally just click on the enhance and download button and download your enhanced script. So I'm just selecting the demo_blaze.jmx file that we were just discussing about. The first option says use custom transaction names. Let's see what it can do. So I'm just giving some transaction names and login. Third, we opened a product. Fourth, we added the product to the cart. And finally, log off. The next option is to enable the generate parent sample checkbox on all the transaction controllers. If you want to use these options on the right hand side, you'll have to enable the switch on the left. So I'm just going to go with the default recommended option. And we have a feature to append a script ID to all the samplers. Let's say the script ID is S01. Let's see what changes jmxenhancer.com gives as part of this particular option. As we were discussing, we also have an option to edit the timers in the script by removing all the constant timers generated by the BlazeMeter plugin, and you can append a test action pause at the end of each transaction controller. We also have an option to update the timestamps using, to a JMeter function __ time. By default, jmxenhancer.com considers this particular script was recorded today and it gives today's date. If at all the script was recorded on a different date, please select the appropriate date using the calendar option, and jmxenhancer.com will make the changes accordingly. We also have a feature wherein we can exit and continue to the next iteration while we encounter a 400 or a 500 response code. And finally, I enable retrieve all embedded resources on all samplers. This setting is just similar to download all non-HTML resources in load runner runtime settings. So we have given all the options. Now let's enhance and download the script. So it just takes a couple of seconds to enhance the script and download it to your local. Let's browse to the particular script. By default, jmxenhancer.com saves your script as enhanced_script.jmx. So this is how the enhanced script looks like. As you can see, the transaction names are customized as per our need. The samplers are indexed, and the script ID is also appended to all the samplers. If at all the script ID is not required, we can just ignore this particular option. The timestamp has been by default the timestamp has been replaced by __ time JMeter function, and the retrieve all embedded resources option on all the samplers has been enabled. You can see generate parent sample checkbox has also been enabled on all the transaction controllers. The constant timers that were generated by the BlazeMeter plugin have been removed throughout the script, and we have replaced all of them with a test action pause at the end of each transaction controller. You can see the think time, it's been named as think time, and we have parameterized this with p_think time. This p_think time has been defined under the test plan variables, and it's been randomized from 1 to 2 seconds. This can be modified later as well. Finally, we have appended a JSR223 assertion, which will exit the current iteration whenever we encounter a 500 or 400 response code, and it will take us to the next iteration. That's it from our end. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please refer us to your friends and colleagues. Please visit us at jmxenhancer.com for more and more enhanced features. Thanks a lot.